Warning: please read the warnings we make in the more information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein.
My clothes were never pure white and fresh smelling after washing. Then my neighbor told me this trick. It often happens that our clothes end up with stains from wine or food. This is especially irritating when it happens on a white shirt. Hence, it can be quite challenging to eliminate stains and keep the clothes white. However, there is a simple method which will keep your clothes white, stain-free, and smelling nice. This doesn't mean that you should buy expensive products. Instead, you can use a homemade solution. The following homemade solutions are inexpensive, safe to use, and easy to prepare. Moreover, it doesn't contain chemicals which can be detrimental to the health. Once you try this solution, you'll never buy another detergent again. Homemade solutions for keeping the clothes clean and white. 1. Baking soda. Baking soda is one of the most versatile ingredients in the world. It is being used due to its medicinal properties. However, you can also use it for your clothes. All you have to do is soak the clothes in a mixture of 4 liters water and a cup of baking soda. Leave them for a couple of minutes and you'll be amazed by the results. Moreover, you can add 1/2 cup of baking soda to your usual amount of liquid laundry detergent. This will make your clothes whiter and the color brighter. What's more, baking soda softens the water, so you can actually use less detergent. 2. Vinegar and lemon. As soon as you start using this powerful combination for your clothes, you'll never buy another detergent anymore. This amazing mixture eliminates stains, because it is extremely strong. Simply, combine lemon juice and vinegar with your detergent and wash the clothes as usual. Hence, make sure you add 1/2 cup of any of these cleaners to each wash cycle to keep your clothes bone white. 3. Aspirin. Aspirin is widely used as a painkiller and anticoagulant. However, it can also be used for household chores. Hence, it penetrates deep into the fabrics of white or stained garments, removing them to leave your clothing looking like new. It is especially powerful for removing sweat stains. All you should do is crush 6 aspirins and add them to a bowl of water. Then, dip the clothes into the mixture for 30 minutes. Wash them and the stain will be gone.